Hello everyone, we have Dame Muni Irony here, philanthropist queen of Beverly Hills. Okay, she just came back from the gym right now to just have a casual interview with us. Okay, um, ma'am, just have a question for you. Shall I? Sure. It is regarding the most happening thing right now regarding the family issues, not only in US, it is from India also. We just need your clarification on it.
Thank you for asking this question. I think it's a very, very important issue of today's
Yes.
because we are forgetting the family values. And starting from USA, we are the pioneer. So I'm very much involved to have social and spiritual healing of the US. And it's affecting India and all the other countries. I mean, it's very rare in India to see a girl moving with the boyfriend.
Oh.
Okay. And then the boyfriend breaks up and then he goes to his old girlfriend. And the girlfriend wants to think about the old boyfriend. And where we going with all this? Hey, you girls, I want you to talk to me. If you have a question, ask me. First of all, you have to think about your culture.
Yes.
Keep your culture because it was a culture that was already successful comes to family. Now the families are broken. Beautiful girls, even in my family, the beautiful girls. They cannot find a man. Hundreds of boys, but they cannot find a man. How come? How long it takes to find the right guy? It doesn't take that long, okay? It's not the time. It's your relationship with a person. Is there energy? You and that energy is in harmony. All right? And there's no perfect man, baby. There's no perfect you. So a good woman study the man, okay? And you make the family. And how to make the family is you first you have to value your body. If you don't value your body, how do you expect a man to value your body? Because you were not valuable for him. That's why he didn't propose. I tell you, my husband, my second husband, my first one was, I told you, mentally sick. But my second husband was the love of my life. All right. I was manifesting. So he was on the dot. Perfect. Every day I remember was a better day.
Wow.
Because we got along spiritually, mentally, emotionally. We were in love. So, how do you find this love? Love because I knew how to handle him. He had tremendous respect for me.
Oh.
He loved me for 18 years. He never told me that he loves me because I was married. So I know I'm not the girl who's going to go out with him. So the day I filed for divorce, he said, please don't go out with anybody. I loved you for 18 years. I can't wait any longer. I want to marry you. I do not want to date you.
Oh, that's
And
so
he's a man
sweet.
who I fixed him up with so many girls.
Oh.
And he will come back and he will say, when I find a girl like you, I'll get married. And I was so dumb and stupid. I didn't get any clue what he's saying. You know? So growth is very important. Look, you have to respect your body and you have to become valuable. He has to work on you.
Absolutely.
Easy come and easy go. I have, look, I'm in the business.
Mm.
I'm the top executive of the world, all men. All right. I'm surrounded. 98% of all my work is all men. I announce on the social media. I announce on my website. I do not date. I don't sleep around. I don't party. I've never done it. I don't want to do it. So when they come to my table, they already have, they call me mom. They call me sister. This is my titles, and they call me all different nice names because respect. Respect is something we have to earn it. So this is the main issue we're having right now is we do not respect the women and not respecting their body. And good men, I have very good men. They are my clients. I don't charge nobody. So when they are in pain, they have nowhere to go. Okay. And social media and everywhere has been taught. If you're depressed, take drugs, drink alcohol, get drunk. This has been taught. The problem is still sitting on the table for you. So what's the point? Problem did not go away. So it's very, very important for you to become respectable. Study your man. Find out his likes and dislikes. Study him. Those are the women who makes a family. My husband, everybody was saying, this man is not a family kind of guy. I know him and this and that. But my heart was just like calm. Nothing bothered me. And I made a very successful life with him. Perfect life. And we, so you can have that honor to have a man that loves you. In order for him to be, you need to be valuable. If he wants to sleep with you, sorry, baby.
Yeah.
You have to marry me. You have to commit with me. First, go out with him. If he's not the kind, forget it. And if you are the kind of girl who said, I will never get married, I will date, I will share a true story with you. I have someone in US right now.
Okay.
Gorgeous, beautiful woman.
Oh.
She has huge, big blue eyes. Beautiful, beautiful girl. And guess what happened? I don't want to get married. I don't want to get married. I don't want. There was nobody up to her par. No, 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 no. All of a sudden, she had problem with her kidneys.
Oh my God.
Kidney failures, yes. Thank you for vaccine. So she had kidney failures right after vaccine. She started on the, dialysis, tremendous pain. She's right now maybe 80 pounds. Okay. And she has no help. She was telling me if I get better, I will remarry, I will have children, because if I would have married, I would have supported her. Because she is all by herself alone. Imagine, alone. There's hardly anybody visits her. So she's like mentally not stable. So look, the life you want is very normal too. And if you don't have a nice guy, there are a lot of nice guys. But the women are losing it. If he gets married, little fight, divorce. I'm going divorce. Men are that way too. Hey, you guys, I want to tell you something. Don't take your woman for granted. Treat your woman with respect. Buy her gifts, buy her gold. It's a good luck. She will bring good luck to you. Men who don't treat their woman good, the chi is not flowing. All right? So it's a two-way traffic, not just one way. But women, really, we can make a good home. But just by understanding the man, hey, he just came back from work, he's tired, don't give him a problem right now. And just wait later. With my husband, people will ask me, can you ask this to Mr. Anthony? I will say, not the right time. The right time come, I will do it. Okay? So, and I will talk to him in the right time. I was 100% successful because I always love him, kiss him, and then I will tell, babe, I need this and this and this. Please let this student come back. I'm always fighting for my students, So it's very important for us to understand the men. Men, you have to understand your woman. All you have to do, easy. Get a flower from your garden, okay? Be romantic. Tell your wife, I love you, baby. Look at her and tell her you are gorgeous. I'm telling you, I have a very top executive. He keep raving about his wife. He is so handsome, young, good looking, good body, very educated. and he keep raving about his wife.
Oh.
When I saw his wife, I was shocked. Really, she was just an average woman. I should not say that, but I'm telling you the truth. She's almost 180 pounds, but the husband loves this woman. Why? He's not going out because she knows how to handle him. They share everything, and he's in love everything about her, everything about her. This is my house, everything's decorated. My wife, my wife, my wife, just like my husband. So you can keep your man around you on the fingertip because I did it. So keep your husband, and the husband is very important. Men are very important for the family structure.
Yes.
When we raise a boy, you will find a lot of female in him. You want to make the man a real man. We need. So don't look at any woman. Look at your wife. When you first marry, what did you marry for? So come back, rewind. And woman is very easy. I don't know why you guys are this way. Tell your woman every day, I love you, baby. Give her flowers, buy her gifts. Don't be stingy with your woman. I cannot stand stingy men. I do not like them because I know they will not bring chi in me. A good man bring good chi in a woman. So treat your wife very, very good, okay? And all your wives, it's very important for you to understand your man. Keep him busy. Don't have him plan your trip. Tell him let's do this and let's do this and let's do this and let's. So he's busy around you. He doesn't have time to look at someone else.
Yes.
And if he's looking for someone else, he's not your man. So that's why when you marry, I didn't know anybody. I only knew one man. So my daughter is the same way, born, raised in the United States of America. Same thing. She never dated anybody. She married her husband. They're happily married. And the trust is there between them. There's a trust. She doesn't care where he goes, but he does. He doesn't care where he goes because the trust is and very important for you. He's not looking at another boyfriend with a girlfriend because you don't have it.
Yeah.
Okay? You can go out. You can go out to eat. You can do all this. Please take your time. Don't be hurry to just have sex because you have seen on the TV the drama. It's not true. Not true. So don't go back and because once you have there's an animal act and there's an act for love.
Yes.
When you love someone, then you have the sex with that person. It's more love. When you don't love someone and you have an animal act, she's sitting there and she said, "Oh, he used me," and he's sitting there, she used me. Both of them had depression. There's no contentment. There's no happiness. It's an animal. But during that time when they're having it, they feel love. So they go right back to this again and again. They become sex addiction. Okay, but this is not the reality. Sex is a very small part of relationship. You understand?
Yeah.
Very small part of it. My husband and I, we were in love. We kiss each other 200 times a day. And it was not sexual. I don't know how to say it. We were just best friends. I never sit separate. I'm always sitting on his lap. He's always licking my ear, kissing me here. He always. He didn't get enough of me. I didn't get enough of him because of love we had together. So men and women, you have to think about marriage, and that's what I'm working on. Marriage is a precious paper that is given by the universe for you. All the faith say about religion, they say get married. You're living together, why don't you get married, man? And if he's not ready to marry, he's not the right guy. Oh, I don't want to get married. I'll live with you. It's been 8 years, man. What's wrong with you? They want to get married. And that's a big problem. And this is coming to India, ruining their culture. It is not part of Indian culture.
Yes.
So rewind and rewind, review. Look at your so many marriages are there. They're there forever. Not a perfect man because you're not a perfect woman. There's no green grass outside. Make your own green grass. Put your water on your grass. You will have a green grass, okay? And I want to tell you all my heart to your heart, love and peace. Namaste. Jai Bharat and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.